I wanted to talk about chasing your dreams and haters. You're going to have so many people that doubt you. You're going to have so many people that wait. As soon as you do something bad, they're going to pounce on it and they're just going to be like, oh, I see. Like, they're going to start hating you, unfollowing you, whatever you want to, however you want to say it. They're going to hate on you once you make a mistake, which you will make mistakes. You will fail, but fail your way to success. Believe you can do it. You are born to do something great. I don't care if one of you out there, I don't care if one of you out there is struggling with doubt. That the doubters, like even people close to you, hating on you, like, oh, you're never gonna make it, man, or you should get a normal job. No, dude, don't listen to them. Please don't give up. Like, it's worth it. Like, you just gotta keep going, and like, even if they laugh in your face, like, keep going, keep pushing, keep believing. Something's gotta give. Like, you just keep punching, keep keep running, keep going. Don't give up. Stay persistent. Something like, it's always when you feel like giving up the most when something good happens. You were born to do something great with your life. You were made with a purpose. You were born to do something great. Do not give up, okay? Do not give up, okay? There's millions of people that have gone before you that have done something great. Isaac Newton, you know, Charles Spurgeon, um, uh, Abraham Lincoln, um, so many different people that have gone, that ran, and they're hitting this point. They hit this point in their life, and if you just don't quit, you're gonna make it further, and you're gonna see something better on the other side. I promise you. Promise you. Don't give up. Okay. Um, you were made to do something great with your life. You are not average and ordinary. Push yourself. Step outside of your comfort zone. Live life to the fullest. Like, pursue what you're passionate about. Like, I've had so many doubters. I've literally had everyone around me except for one person in my life doubt, that I can think of on the top of my head, doubt me. But I'm just like, it motivates me further. I'm making this video. Let's go. Like, all you doubters out there, watch and wait. Watch and wait. Okay? But anyways, I'm not trying to like, you guys have something in you. You guys, you one percenters out there, like, job stands for just over broke. So if you're trying to get a job, just get a job. Just be just over broke and have a good life, have a family, live an average or an ordinary life. But if you wanna live in a full life, life of purpose, then you gotta pursue your dream like there's no other option. Obviously, you don't want to burn out and then just like end up in a mental hospital like I did, but multiple years. But you want to push yourself just before that limit. God bless.